Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Today we are going to be completing the number of the day activity. You will find this in your work pack that was sent home with you last week. The first thing that you need to do is choose a number from 1 to 100. Now the number that I've chosen today is the number 72. Now if we have a look at the number 72, we know that we can't split the number 7 into two equal groups, but we can split the number 2 into two equal groups, which means that the number 72 is in fact an even number because we can split it into two equal groups as a whole number. So in other words, we would have two groups of 36, which are two equal groups, which would equal 72 altogether. Next, we need to write the number in word form. We now need to count forwards from this number, so from 72 counting forwards, and then we need to count backwards from 72. So as you can see, if we start at our number and count forwards, the number gets bigger and bigger as you count. But if we start at our number and count backwards, the number will get smaller. We then need to locate our number on a hundreds chart, which is this here. We've got numbers 1 all the way through to 100. So whatever number you choose, you'll just have to circle your chosen number on the chart. Lastly, we need to find more and less of our number. So start by writing your number in the center box and then make your way around and complete all boxes. So with the number 72 in the middle, we can see that the number 71 is one less and the number 73 is one more. The number 62 is 10 less and the number 82 is 10 more. It's now your turn to complete the activity. Try and use a number that is a different one from the number 72, and remember to upload your work to Class Dojo.